Hello everybody! Welcome back to Panel Wall Art. Can you feel the chill in the air? I'm sure you can. And we here at Panel Wall Art do too. But the chilly air can only mean one thing. Autumn is here.
And winter will follow not far behind. That's why today, we're going to give you guys a couple of autumn wall decoration ideas so your interior design feels very fall.
Idea number 1. Try framing the leaves. This is your chance to fool botanical. A fresh idea for gallery walls is to frame a bunch of autumn leaves. Fake or real, it's your choice. If you're going for fake, autumn colored paper is a very good choice.
On to number 2, DIY blossoming paper flowers. Think of this as a prelude to the winter season. Cut petals out of brown paper bags and attach them to the walls. To stick them against the wall, use adhesive tape or museum putty. These look pretty in various sizes with autumn-themed knick-knacks.
Number 3. Metallic mirrors. Mirrors with metallic frames are a great investment, especially if you want fall to be around forever. One large mirror or mini-sized ones are great.
Number 4. Hang up rustic wooden wall art. Autumn wall decoration is all about rustic and weathered wooden wall art. We've got a bunch of these affordable options available in our online store. They're specially designed and is great for large blank walls.
And finally, try out wreaths. Decorate the mirrors and the spaces above the doors with gorgeous wreaths. It's the perfect solution for spaces. Try out wreaths made out of dried and twined branches accented with autumn-colored leaves. Tie it all together with a fall-themed ribbon.
Well, that's it. We hope these 5 ideas help you out a bit with your autumn wall art decorations.
And if you have more ideas, don't hesitate to let us know your thoughts in the comment section below.
Of course, as always, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Ring the bell icon to stay notified with our newest tips. And of course, subscribe to stay updated.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Toodles!